that look dead? Probably. Where's my dog? So, what's the incident? Oh, the wall is like giving out from underneath the roof. One of the supporting pillars has kind of sunk into the ground. It has like rot, and it's letting the roof kind of collapse. So we need to add supports there so that it does not let the whole barn collapse, basically. There's my mom. I'm like a mini version of my mom. Yes, that's true. That is bad. We need to fix it. You're getting the cement blocks. It's really dirty. Give it a little brush. What's happening behind the wall? Actual chainsaw ASMR. And pink gloves. Not pink, purple gloves. And they're cute. We're fixing the barn, okay? Or trying to. That might not work out. What the fuck, guys? Stop falling. I'm gonna put you there. My brother has a BMW now. He's a certified asshole. Could you like try to stay still so you wouldn't fall on your face?
Annakin vähän auto.
Entäs alasairaana, onko se ihan hyvä?
Se on ihan juoksu.
Woo! The door works. My parents just said that if it seems like the barn is going to collapse, then we should run. Nois! Guys, look what we found! I found rusty saws and my parents said that I can keep them.
Onko noin ääni sanat? Se on sitten liikaa.
Scratch someone with the saw, and if someone doesn't have all their vaccines, they are going to die. Just look at it. Look at the beautiful rust. I have two of them. I can dual wield them, and they're like perfectly rusted in the same way. How epic is that?
Kun me asuttiin se kesä täällä myllyllä, minkä jälkeen sä sit toukokuussa sinne.
My mom says I was made here. Not in the barn, but like there is a living area at the other end of the barn. Pitäis näyttää sitä? My brother wants me to show what he's doing. This is the village that my dad's mom is from, so my cool grandma is from this village, so that's why we'll have random relatives showing up occasionally. Yeah, the soil can't hold the beam, and that's why it has sunk, and that's why the roof is like on a curve, literally. And we are trying to fix that. Basically. Okay. Marry me, get banned if you try to backseat move. Like, my dad is fire and my brother is earthbender. Guys, when I stream ASMR next time, I'm gonna show you a picture of my grandma when she was young. Cause dad, what the fuck? The back was quite heavy, and the back was also almost ripping, so we had to use as many hands as possible so that the plastic wouldn't rip. My brother is single. Guys, look what I have. It's a giggle TV. He does go to the gym. I think he's also flexing. I think he's also flexing to the chat on purpose. He's definitely aware you guys are there. He's just like pretending to be like nonchalant. Yes, yes he is.
I hear everything that you say.
Sä et lukee niitä kommentteja. Pois. There is a bed in the roof. Don't worry, guys. My parents are professionals.
Hei, tuliko tälleen? Laittaa se. Oikeneeksi se nostettaisiin.
It has stuff in his ears. Just look at this. It's Moritz. Moritz is 16 years and 9 months old. That's 112 in human years. Yeah. There is a stove that works with food, not food, with wood, and it's so heavy. The shit's actually like 200 kilos or something. This is where we get the stuff. Can't chill there until we pick it up with a tractor. That's my brother. And Eddie! Eddie! My aunt, my brother, my mom, my dad, and my uncle. This is my dad's cousin's new sauna. He's building it. But we are not building the sauna. We are fixing this barn, which is my parents' barn. And I found rusty saws. And these definitely deal poison damage. And my dad said that I can keep them. So I can dual wield rusty saws. Imagine trying to rob me, showing up at my house in the night. And then you just see me. They have been asking if you're single. I told them that you are. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Or it depends who's asking. If it's beautiful women asking, I'm single. If it's not so beautiful, I'm taken.
Perfectly logical.
Yeah. And if an other male is asking, I have multiple girlfriends.
Okay.
Game is game.
So, if I were to punch you now, I would get banned, so that's why I'm not going to do it. But I want you to know that I don't think that's a healthy way to view.
Game is game.
Vähintään sen 1 tuntia, mutta tietysti sitten, että jos tekisi niin lisäpelit tonne ja sitten nostaisi vielä näitä niin erikseen, niin kyllä varmaan olisi aina se.
You either play or get played.
Useammalla tunnilla vaikka.
No.
Game is game.
You can also choose not to play.
Niin on se ton kokoinen tunkkia, mitä sulla on.
If you are put on the field, football game, and you choose not to play, then you lose. You get played. It is better to be with beautiful women than be alone.
That was a gentle hit. It didn't hurt.
Yes.
But it was deserved. Yeah, it's the perfect sleeping sounds.
Olet kyllä todellinen sigma.
Olen mitä?
Todellinen sigma.
Sigma. No kiitos tästä. My brother said that I'm a real sigma. There's some chains. They are all rusted. I carried the long ass piece of wood, and that's why my brother said that I was a sigma. It's beautiful. They're saying it's turning into rooms, and it's gonna be an Airbnb.
Se on noin ehkä siirretty, koska tähän täällä on siirtynyt tonne. Niin, muuten on ollut. Koska siinä näkyy tommonen tappi.
I'm happy with rusty saws.
Joo, se on ihan totta. Eli se oli vähän niin kuin...
Eddie!
Standimyynissä. life is game. It's like GTA.
No,
Yes.
it's not like GTA. Do you want to
About-
show the BMW?
Why not?
I hate fucking cars, but anyway. Okay.
But there's no power. This is chill car.
Yeah, my brother has crypto vibes.
Crypto vibes.
Yeah, the cryptocurrency.
Yeah, I hate cryptos. They're really ass.
And our entire family does speeding. No, obviously we're driving according to the speed limit.
Yeah, of
we would never speed. We
No.
would never speed. Never. Absolutely not. Always according to the speed limit. Otto as well. He never speeds.
Yeah. And I was just talking, when I was talking that I want to push the car to the limits, I mean the speed limits.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Have a nice drive.
You too.
This is my car. Poor Astra is filthy as fuck. No, my speedometer is not broken. I have a vibe for the speed. No, I'm driving obviously, strictly to the speed limit. But if I were to speed, it would be just an amount where I'm not going to get a ticket. Okay, so I need to preface the kitchen situation with that most of it is not dirty. Like, most of the dishes that are laying around are not dirty. They're just, I got them from Janal, and I don't have room for them in the cupboards. Be prepared, I'm gonna show it to you. But yeah. If you say that I have a terrible mess in my kitchen, will a good band? Thank you everyone for watching. Good night. Bye bye.